दो लाइनों में मैं जो सुनाने वाली हूँ पोयम, उसको मैं कह सकती हूँ कि छोटी छोटी बातों में छिपी खुशियां और उन छोटी छोटी खुशियों की बातें, दैट्स व्हाट माय पोयम टुडे इज अबाउट, दिल की बातें। तो कुछ ऐसा लिखा है। न बनना फरहाद मेरे लिए, न होना मजनू। न बनना फरहाद मेरे लिए, न होना मजनू। न वादा तारों का, न पकड़ लाना जुगनू। न समंदर को तैर कर आना, न अंगारों पे चल के दिखाना। बात हो जब प्यार की तो लफ्जों में ना उलझ जाना। रहना आस पास मेरे, दिल की बातें यूं ही भाप जाना। सीढ़ियों पे घंटों बैठ, सीढ़ियों पे घंटों बैठ, कुछ मेरी सुनना, कुछ अपनी सुनाना। 100 दफा सुनी कहानियों को नए लिबास में फिर एक बार दोहराना। कभी मेरे आगे तो कभी मेरे पीछे, कभी मेरे आगे तो कभी मेरे पीछे। मेरे कदमों संग तुम ताल मिलाना। रुकने लगूं जो थक हार के, थोड़ा ठहर तुम भी संग सुस्ताना। न चाहूं समझना अगर, तुम एक और बार मुझे समझाना। न चाहूं समझना अगर, तुम एक और बार मुझे समझाना। मैं झूठ मूठ ही रूठ जाऊं, तुम फिर भी मुझे मनाना। रातों को जब अलसाएं बातें, तुम बस हामी भरते जाना। रातों को जब अलसाएं बातें, तुम बस हामी भरते जाना। पहरो सुनना मेरी बातें, बातों बातों में जीवन बिताना। रोती हंसती आंखों संग तुम भी मंद मंद मुस्काना। जो छलकने लगे किनारों से, तो थाम मुझे फिर एक बार बहलाना। है जो देखा है जो जिया संग तुम्हारे, उन यादों को सहेज पिरोते जाना। है जो देखा है जो जिया संग तुम्हारे, उन यादों को सहेज पिरोते जाना। जीवन संध्या के जो बादल उमड़े, दूर न होना मुझसे, मुझे न तुम भुलाना। बदले यौवन बदले मौसम बदले रिश्ते नाते, बदले यौवन बदले मौसम बदले रिश्ते नाते। न बदलेगा प्यार तुम्हारा, ये बार बार बतलाना। संग जीने का वादा है हमदम, ये बात तुम भूल न जाना। न बनना फरहाद मेरे लिए, न होना मजनू। न वादा तारों का, न पकड़ लाना जुगनू। न समंदर को तैर कर आना, न अंगारों पे चल के दिखाना। बात हो जब प्यार की तो लफ्जों में न उलझ जाना। रहना आस पास मेरे, दिल की बातें यूं ही भाप जाना।
Wow.
Amazing.
I should compliment
Absolutely
by
professional.
saying
Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
it feels so jealous. I really feel whenever somebody makes lyrics like that, I feel so jealous कि भाई मैं क्यों नहीं सोच पाता कि कितना oh my god. I think your focus was that कि बस भैया बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीजें नहीं है, नॉर्मल बातें हो जाए यार actually, and you
छोटी छोटी बातें।
almost for everything कि आई थिंक वो बातें सुनते हो तो ऑनेस्टली बस सुनते, जस्ट प्रिटेंड दैट यू आर लिसनिंग, डोंट लिसन, बट yes, yes, yes. Pretend to do that, but just be around. I don't really want.
Yeah. It's the small and simple things in life that matter the most.
Absolutely.
No, but you have said it in such a profound way.
Thank
And
you.
that's what is the beauty of lyrics.
Thank
It's
you.
simple चीजें ही बताने का तरीका होता है. And I'm sure, I don't know whether did you ever try to have some compositions on this? Because I don't know, it will sound, I don't know. ये वही era की, these are the lyrics which should be called lyrics, not what we hear today. आजकल जो दिखता है ना, ये वो कैरेक्टर्स से उस एरा की वहां जहां लिरिक्स का मीनिंग हुआ करता था, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी.
Thank you. Thank you.
It was really dil se thi. It's absolutely correct. You could connect it to the soul.
Thank
And
you.
we could visualize someone
Yes.
sitting.
I could relate almost
बात
to
करना
everything.
could relate. We could
Yes.
relate. Absolutely could relate. So we could visualize the lovers together. उसे समझाना. This is so that's the beauty of pure poetry, right? If you can visualize and connect that's when it has become successful. So yes, it was Dil Ko Chhu Liya.
Awesome.
बहुत
Thank you.
बढ़िया.
Thank
बहुत
you.
बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया.
Meenu, it was beautiful. I got goosebumps. It's so beautiful. I'm so touched, moved, and inspired by your
Thank you.
poem. It's so beautiful.
Meenu, Shivani also
Really,
writes.
it
She is
really
also a poet.
connects the soul.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm an amateur.
No,
Meenu is a
no,
professional.
no. I am an amateur as well. I mean, as I told Rajesh ji, I'm sorry, that I have written poems like since my school days. But for some reason I was extremely private about it. I did not grow up in an atmosphere where we write poems and things like that. So I was very private about it. तो स्कूल कॉलेज में कभी कभी मजाक में अपने फ्रेंड्स को ना वो आके मुझसे बोलेंगे 2 लाइन लिख दे 3 लाइन they'll give me a description and say के लिए चाहिए उसके लिए चाहिए ऐसा ऐसा लिख दे तो I used to write it like that.
Yeah.
तो ऐसे लिखते लिखते then this pandemic actually it's a bad thing. It has been a blessing in disguise as well. So a lot of people like us have come out with things that they had. So then it was I came out of the closet, and actually somebody in my family persuaded me and said, I think you should share your poetries. I said, I don't think so. They're worthy sharing on YouTube. That's like a public platform. I don't want to go there.
No, it is worth it. Of course it is. You should share.
Absolutely.
Because you never know who might get inspired by your poetries and they start writing and they might just open up, So it's
I look
beautiful.
forward to hearing something from you, as Rajesh ji said that you also write. So, I'm like always very interested when somebody narrates something. I'm like always.
I feel words are actually the expression of your soul. So mostly when you're expressing and you're writing, it's all coming from, like we've seen Gulzar ji and there are a lot of other. It's so soulful,
Yeah.
And that's why I even love Sufi music, actually. I was telling Rajesh, let's have one Sufi Sunday.
Yeah. Mirza Ghalib and Gulzar.
Yeah.
मीनू मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ मीनू आपके बारे में.
जी.
आपने हमें हमारे मेंटर और हमारे गुरु डॉक्टर राजन जो कि IITD के फाउंडर हैं उनकी याद दिला दी. और उन्होंने अपनी एक क्लास में कहा था कि हम सब अपनी जिंदगी में बड़े बड़े गोल बनाते हैं और उन गोल के पीछे भागते रहते हैं, बड़े बड़े गोल्स के, और छोटी छोटी खुशियों को ओवरलुक कर देते हैं. तो वही मैसेज आपने अपनी इस कविता में दिया है. बहुत डीप लर्निंग दी है, बहुत अच्छा गाया. मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि हमारे ग्रुप को आपने ज्वाइन किया है. तो थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस ग्रुप.
थैंक यू.
राकेश जी 2 लाइनें मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ?
बिल्कुल बोल सकते हैं सर. बोलिए.
मीनू जी, हमारी तो सेकेंड इनिंग चल रही है, हम तो कुछ नहीं कर रहे पर आप तो कमाल कर रहे हैं. मैंने पिछले दिनों एक जावेद शेख की ग्रुप में गजल सुनाई थी. मुझे उसकी 2 लाइनें याद आ रही हैं कि कोई इतना प्यारा कैसे हो सकता है, कोई इतना प्यारा कैसे हो सकता है, फिर सारे का सारा कैसे हो सकता है. You are great. आपने बहुत अच्छा सुनाया. आपने दिल के भावों को इतने अच्छे से प्रकट किया, इतने खूबसूरत शब्दों में. कमाल था. Please go on YouTube.
I'm already on. That's how I don't know how Rajesh ji found.
Bimal ji, she is already there. ये इनका वीडियोस हैं. अनकही कविताएं is her channel. अनकही कविताएं. अरे मैं भेज दूंगा आपको. I'll share the link.
Thank you.
Meenu,
Anita,
shall I?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
मीनू, आपने आपका कविता को टाइटल दिया छोटी छोटी बातों, बट
दिल की बातें.
दिल की बातें, एंड यू सेड इट इज ऑफ छोटे छोटे बातें के बारे में आपने लिखा, बट इट हैज क्रिएटेड लॉट्स ऑफ रिपल्स इन ऑन द लिसनर्स माइंड, and especially बातों बातों में जीवन बिताना. This line I really liked very much, because this is the time where people are people are so busy in the humdrum of life, and they are forgetting to give time to talk to each other and to listen from each other. No, so people want those who are beloved ones to be with them. So that was just be with me. That is the main thing we all want, right? So that I really liked.
Thank
Very
you.
nice.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It is lovely. I mean, and I'm just getting used to, admiring poetry. I think Mr. Bimal ji has got me into it first initially. And of course, now yours, I mean, lovely words. And it's very, very soulful, simple yet very, very soulful.
Thank
and
you.
I hope you're there, more often and you're part of the session. Beautiful to listen.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think I just one more compliment, Meenu, for आपने जब वो गाया तो जो पोएट्री बताई उसका एक मुझे राजा महल ने लिखा, उनका काफी उससे रिलेट कर गया मैं. यस, मुझे गम भी उनका अजीज है कि उन्हीं की दी हुई चीज है. यही गम है अब मेरी जिंदगी से कैसे दिल से जुदा करूं. So that's how you connect actually, and I think I got similar feelings. I think I wanted, मैं ढूंढने गया, मेरे को एक पहली लिरिक का पता था, दूसरा मैं अभी so I'm sure, I think this should be composed, things like this, because they touch your heart, and I'm telling you, I think you should do something like that also. You should get in touch with someone.
When I opened my poetry channel, my intent was to be able to connect with people who understand words or lyrics and songs and music and things like that. Because where I am, I mean, let alone poetry, it's hard to find people who even understand Hindi. So that was my intent, that, if I open up a YouTube channel, I slowly and steadily, I may be able to connect with people who understand poetry, who have interest and all that. And I am really glad. I feel honored to be here. I'm so glad that I came. And I feel like the reason I started the channel today is the first step that I have taken to fulfill it. So, I mean, it's beautiful, the zest and the zeal that you guys have. And everybody's so, this whole group is the synergy that flows in the group, and everybody is so uplifting to each other. And आप एक ही चीज में गलत थे, शायद आप उस समय थे नहीं जब मैंने ये कहा था कि आपने मुझे कहा था amateur but enthusiast. So I have to correct you. There is nobody who's amateur here. Everybody is a professional, and of course enthusiast, but everybody is a professional. I mean, I am truly honored to be here, and I'll just fill in a bit of a personal detail here. मैं जल्दी सो जाती हूँ रात में. I'm early to sleep and early to wake up person. But today I have no regrets. I have absolutely no regrets. I've thoroughly enjoyed, and probably I'm stimulated to a point that I won't be able to sleep this night.
Oh my God. So beautiful.
मैडम जी, राजेश जी की पर्सनैलिटी और उनके ग्रुप की पर्सनैलिटी में ऐसा आकर्षण है, you can't leave us.
Yes. I'm here. आप मुझे मीनू बुला सकते हैं, सभी लोग मुझे मीनू बोल सकते हैं.
मीनू, what we do is कि जो first time guest आते हैं ना, by second or third time they become the host. So whenever you join next, it is quite possible you will be the host. Anita ma'am is sitting here. उन्होंने सिर्फ 1.5 performance किया था, half a event and then 1 full event, and the next event she was the host. And probably in the next event also she is hosting us.
So this is a wonderful group, and this is something so fabulous that all of you guys are doing. It's not easy to bring everybody together. I believe all of you are in Delhi, if I'm getting it right. फिर भी to collect. No, is that not?
Mumbai.
Oh, you're from
Mumbai.
Yeah.
Dr. Srikanth is from Bangalore.
Sunita is in Mumbai.
Yeah. So it's not easy to put a group like this together where people are coming from different directions, and so it's wonderful. I'm thrilled. Like I said, I can't sleep tonight, I think. My experience has been fabulous. It was a wonderful evening, well spent time. So it was really good. I feel like I've transcended into a different zone. So it was fabulous. It's beyond words. I have no regrets being here, and it was a wonderful experience. Thank you. Thank you for having us.